Famous vegetarians and vegans. There are many famous people who are vegetarians or vegans. Some of the most well-known include Steve Jobs. In his 2005 Stanford commencement address, Jobs talked about how he had adopted a vegan diet in his early 20s after reading a book called Diet for a Small Planet. He said that the diet made him feel healthier and more energetic, and that it helped him to focus and concentrate. Lewis Hamilton. In a 2020 interview with The Guardian, Hamilton said that he was proud to be a vegan and that he believed it was the right thing to do for the planet. He also said that he was using his platform to raise awareness about veganism and to encourage others to make the switch. Bill Gates. In a 2021 blog post, Gates said that he had been eating a mostly plant-based diet for the past year. He said that he felt better and more energetic on a plant-based diet, and that he was also doing his part to help the environment. Serena Williams. In a 2018 interview with the New York Times, Williams said that she was committed to a vegan diet and that she would never go back. She said that she felt better than ever on a vegan diet and that she was proud to be doing her part to help the planet. Ellen DeGeneres. In 2008, Ellen DeGeneres made the decision to go vegan. For Ellen, this meant eliminating all animal products from her diet, including meat, dairy, and eggs. Ellen has said that her decision to go vegan was motivated by her love for animals and her desire to live a more compassionate lifestyle. Novak Djokovic. It's a lifestyle more than just a diet because you have ethical reasons as well, being conscious of what is happening in the animal world. The Game Changers documentary. Arnold Schwarzenegger. In his book The New Encyclopedia of Modern Bodybuilding, he wrote about how he adopted a vegetarian diet in the early 1970s, and how he believes that a plant-based diet can be just as effective for building muscle as a meat-based diet. Joaquin Phoenix. In his 2020 Oscar acceptance speech, he spoke about the importance of compassion for all living beings and urged people to go vegan. Reasons why these people chose to become vegetarians or vegans vary. Some of them did it for health reasons, believing that a plant-based diet is healthier than a meat-based diet. Others did it for environmental reasons, believing that raising animals for food is bad for the environment. And still others did it for ethical reasons, believing that it is wrong to kill animals for food. Some of the most well-known benefits include weight loss, reduced risk of heart disease, reduced risk of cancer, improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, better skin health, increased lifespan. Following a plant-based diet can be a healthy, sustainable, and ethical choice. Learn more about the health benefits, environmental impact, and ethical implications of a plant-based diet by visiting the link below.